In this video, I'll guide you through how to create dependencies in ClickUp. We'll focus specifically on doing this from the list view, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to connect tasks so your workflow is clear, organized, and easy to manage. First, let's quickly talk about what a dependency is in ClickUp. A dependency is a relationship between two tasks that tells you one task relies on another. For example, maybe you can't start designing a brochure until the content is written. By creating a dependency, you make that relationship obvious in your workspace. This helps teams avoid confusion about what needs to be done first, and it makes planning much more straightforward. Now, let's get into the practical steps using the list view. Go ahead and open your ClickUp workspace and navigate to the space, folder, and list where your tasks are stored. Make sure you're in list view, which shows your tasks stacked in rows, one under another. If you're in a different view like board or calendar, just switch to list view so the process matches what we're walking through here. Once you're in list view, find the task that needs to depend on another task. This is the task that either can't start or can't be completed until something else is done. Hover your mouse over that task. Now right-click on the task. This will open a context menu with several options related to that task. In the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Dependency or Dependencies, depending on your version. Click on that option. This tells ClickUp that you want to set up a relationship between this task and another one in your workspace. When you choose the dependency option, ClickUp will prompt you to select the task this one should depend on. In other words, you're about to choose the task that needs to be finished first. A window or panel will open, usually with a search bar and a list of tasks you can link to. Start typing the name of the task you want to use as the dependency, or scroll through the list until you find it. Once you see the correct task, click on it to select it. After you select it, ClickUp will create the dependency link between the two tasks. The task you originally right-clicked is now set to depend on the task you just selected. At this point, you should see some kind of visual indicator on your task, such as a small dependency icon or a label showing that it's now linked to another task. If you click into the task details, you'll also see the dependency listed there, which can help you verify that everything is set correctly. If you make a mistake or choose the wrong task, you can go back into the same dependency area and adjust or remove the relationship. That way you don't have to worry about breaking anything. Dependencies are easy to update as your plans change. That's all there is to it. From list view, you right-click a task, choose the dependency option, and then select the task it should depend on. Using this simple workflow, you can create a clear sequence of tasks, keep your projects better organized, and ensure everyone knows what needs to happen first.